welcome to another unboxing video for the Volkswagen T4 1990 to 2003 LED red clear rear lights. Let's get them unboxed. So the LED section located here on these lights are the brake and side lights. As you can see on the back, they are designed to accept the original bulb holders, and the bulb twists into the bulb holder as shown here. They are MOT compliant and fully road legal, and they are also E-marked. It comes with a pair of stick-on reflectors and 2 orange bulbs should you need them. They are really sturdy and really high quality lights, so let's get them illuminated.